Wow, take a look at this dusty, neglected laptop. It hasn't been cleaned in ages. The dust has settled deep into the keys, the screen, pretty much everywhere you can see. Just look at the grime back here. It's not a pretty sight. This machine definitely needs a lot of work and some serious willpower to restore it. First things first, let's safely remove the battery. Now it's time to tackle this dust using my trusty mini vacuum cleaner. I'll make sure to run it through all the keys, over the speakers, across the screen, and into those hard to reach corners back here. Next, let's grab my screwdriver and find the right screw. We're going to remove this panel right here. Oh wow, look at this. It's so rusty. These holes need a proper clean to get rid of all that rust. Let's take care of that. We can't forget to keep absorbing the dust. It can hide in the smallest, tiniest parts of the laptop. Alright, let's put the cover back on. Oops. Looks like there's still some rust lingering around here. Just look at that. I'll use a little alcohol to help it slide off more easily and smoothly. I always double check my work. It's crucial. Let's take a look under the light. Time for the mini vacuum again. Okay, fingers crossed that we've cleared out all the rust and dust. Let's put the cover back in place. I'll give this area a quick wipe with alcohol and some wipes, and then a little brush to finish it up. Just remember, every step I take speaks for itself. I'm simply working to remove all the dust and rust, then using the mini vacuum to absorb it all away. Now let's be careful not to scratch the screen with the brush. We want to keep it in top condition. And now let's tackle the back. Wow, look at how much dust was left here. Time for some Lysol to freshen things up. It's pretty straightforward. Cleaning a laptop requires tiny brushes, wipes, Lysol, Windex, and alcohol. Let's clean up the workspace, organize the tools, and put the battery back in. One last wipe. And look at that. It looks almost brand new. It's powered on, and just look how the keyboard shines. With a little effort and the right tools, you can bring your old laptop back to life. Thanks for joining me on this cleaning journey.